You can't do more than Gworu, but I can do Gworu and I can do more. This is how to make yam and green, Nigerian yam and green. Very delicious, very healthy. You need your yams. You wash your yams after cutting them in cubes, and then you let them boil. Cut your pepper, fresh pepper, and purple onions. Once your yam is done, bring out your green from wherever you've kept it. I kept mine in the freezer, but if you're lucky and you have the fresh one, then perfect. Bring it out, chop it up. If you don't have green, use your kale. It works well. But I had the frozen green, so I brought it out and I put it on the yams for the heat to melt the frozen green. Then I'm going to cover this for the steam of the yam to continue to cook the green. The next step is to fry your onions and your pepper in red oil. Remember, palm oil is rich in vitamin E, rich in some other nutrients, so don't be shy. Go in and add your palm oil, but don't fry it for so long. Once the oil is in the pan, ideally you want to heat it a little bit. Then you add your purple onions and your pepper. Let that fry for a bit. Add your salt and your seasoning. Then we check on the mixture of the yam and the green. Everything is cooked, and then we add the oil. I'm going to stir this now. Mix everything. After all, I name it Gworu. It's called Gworu because Gworu means mixing in Igbo language, and all you're doing is to mix the yam and the vegetable. So I'm gworing it agwo right now, and I'm putting in some seasoning cube to taste. Once this is done, when everything is well combined, well gwored, I'm then going to bring it down and enjoy. You can see, so delicious. You can add in some extra fresh pepper, and it's really, really nice. Did you learn how to make Gworu today? Let me know in the comment section. Bye-bye.